Hey folks, Luke from Good Data here. I wanted to, show you a demo of the app, but show a little experiment, talk about multimodal embeddings and using similarity search. Similarity search is kind of, think of e-commerce website and you're seeing suggested items or recommended items or see more like this. Those types of features, they usually run off embeddings and similarity searches. Embeddings is kind of like, to make a human analogy, if you think of a word, think of dog. Okay, so an embedding is like a snapshot of a brain, but like an AI's brain. This embedding model's thinking of that word. So then these get put into this database, saved into a database, which is what I did for this experiment. And then you can do a similarity search on it. So let's start with the problem that we're solving. So I'm creating with my automatic spreadsheet tool. We're going to create this spreadsheet. So this will be for Facebook CSV upload. You can upload products through their CSV. And I'm saying category should be a Google taxonomy category, giving it some other rules for validation. And let's just go ahead and create this. The AI will generate a schema. We can see here that, yep, that all looks good. Create that. Okay, so now we can, let's just go through this, let's say, Ty Cobb autograph baseball. So we'll search for that. Okay, so say we wanted to sell this on Facebook Marketplace. Let's extract this. Where did I go? View. Okay, cool. I'm back. So here's what we're doing. It went and found this on the web. The AI went and grabbed it, and now it's here. It didn't fill out category. It has no idea what the Google taxonomy category is. Usually in these e-commerce settings, the category needs a specific value and it needs to be validated. So how do we do that? This is a long list. Here's all the Google categories. There's 5,000 of them. We can't just feed that to the AI in like a text box. Like if we were to use this part of the feature and put it in there, that's too much. And the more context you give to these models, the harder they are to do the reasoning that you need them to do, especially for structured output. Okay, so we have, let's just see here, we have this. So I've embedded all of those Google taxonomy things into a database. So this was that for each category. I shot it through the embedding model and now it's in a database. So now what we can do is do a similarity search and we can get the category. Okay, so it's able to look at this and do a similarity search on it. We can put anything in here like a dog boat. I have no idea what that is, but somehow this embedding model does. So you can see that we're able to automate this and extract this data and this feature out of this data. So that means in a workflow like I showed here, we can add to it. So it doesn't need to be the Google taxonomy categories, could be anything. Multimodal embeddings are really cool because you can do the image or you can do the text. So here's the text for our example that we use. Get category. Okay, so we got the same one. That's great. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll save this, or I'll put this on GitHub so people can take a look at how I did this. And maybe there's some sort of workflow that you can use this for in your company. I hope it is interesting and maybe does some good for you. Thank you guys.